How to take a panorama photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. The camera app allows users to take photos, videos, live photos, portraits, panoramas, and more, with options to adjust settings like flash, night mode, and zoom. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. On this screen, swipe left on the options above the capture button and tap on Pano. You can now take a panorama photo from here. Tap on the capture button to start. Move your phone continuously when taking a panorama. Once you're done taking the photo, tap on the capture button again. Now, open the photo you just took from the bottom left corner to view it. Following these steps, you can easily take a panorama photo on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.